y'all, and welcome back to Heritage Soap. Today we're going to be making some lemon verbena soap, and I have my hard butters, liquid oils, and my kaolin clay and my coconut milk. It's already blended. I went ahead and done that too. And I'm going to blend it again one more time. I'm going to be adding in my lye water solution. Now, I'm going to be adding, for my colors today, yellow vibrance from Nurture Soap, green vibrance from Nurture Soap, neon green from Nurture Soap, and titanium dioxide from Nurture Soap. So let me get this all divided up. I'm going to mix everything together and we'll get it in a mold. Okay, so I'm going to divide my soap all up into my buckets. That's going to be my base. I'm going to do an in the pot swirl with this one. Alright, I'm going to scrape these all down and I will be right back. Now I'm going to add in the color and in the fragrance, and we will see how all this is going to look. Here is our titanium dioxide. Okay, so that's going to be my TD. This is my yellow vibrance. This is my green vibrance. And this is my neon. And this is lemon verbena, and let's get started. Okay, so here we go. See how ugly that color turned? It's gonna go back into a beautiful green later on, but not today. It's gotta set. And I didn't do too much of the neon. Okay guys, I'm going to take this, I'm going to bang it down on the ground to get the air out. I'll be back to finish the tops. I'm going to take the rest of the colors that's left over I'm going to go down the loaf and just drop y'all. Come back tomorrow and we will slice it all up and see what the inside looks like. I'm going to spray it down with alcohol to prevent soda ash. Put it to bed and we'll be back tomorrow. Hey guys, it's day 2. I'm fixing to slice up our lemon verbena soap. This soap, if you're looking for a strong, fresh, zingy lemon verbena scent in a soap, this is it. So we have it at Heritage Soap. We'll have it on our Etsy page. I'll leave the link below. I'm going to slice this up. I'm going to speed the video up so that you guys don't get bored and see how it looks on the inside. There you have it. There is our lemon verbena in the pot swirl co-processed soap. I wish I had more yellow in it. That's my only regret. I had a lot of green. I wish I had just a very minimal amount of green and more yellow. So next time I'll add more yellow. We appreciate you watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Hit the little bell so you'll get a notification when I post a new video. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and please leave us a comment and let us know where you are. Have a great day. Thank y'all for watching.